Hi, I'm Raul with Manhattan Products, and right now we're going to take a look at the 10-port USB charging station. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Going from left to right, the first port supports Quick Charge 2.0 output, ports 2 through 6 have a 1 amp output, and ports 7 through 10 have a 2.4 amp output. This charging station has 8 storage bays with soft non-slip pads to help keep your devices safe, secure, and clutter-free. Now, advanced circuitry helps prevent overcharging, the overheating, and the short-circuiting to increase your device's battery life. And this charging station comes with a 3-year warranty. So be sure to visit our website at manhattanproducts.com. And don't forget, with Manhattan Products, life just got easier.